What if I told you there's an electric bike under $1,000 that can outperform bikes costing twice as much? Or that one bike on this list can carry 300 pounds of cargo, while another is so light it barely feels electric at all? We tested dozens of e-bikes, and one of them completely surprised us. Stay until the end because our number one pick isn't the most expensive, but it might be the smartest electric bike you can buy in 2026. Let's get started. Number 5, Trek FX Plus 7S. If you want an e-bike that feels like a normal bicycle but gives you superhuman legs, the Trek FX Plus 7S is hard to beat. Its quiet mid-drive motor delivers smooth, natural power, while the lightweight 42-pound frame makes every ride quick and effortless. With premium styling, integrated lights, smart app support, and up to 39 miles of range, it's perfect for commuters who want electric assistance without the bulky e-bike feel. Number 4, Electric XP4. Imagine getting premium features for under $1,000. That's exactly why the Electric XP4 has become one of America's best-selling electric bikes. It combines a powerful 500-watt motor, front suspension, hydraulic brakes, an 8-speed drivetrain, and a folding frame into one affordable package. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or saving space at home, this bike delivers incredible value. Number 3, Ride 1UP Portola. Small in size, big on performance, the Ride 1UP Portola packs a punch with its 750-watt motor, front suspension, hydraulic brakes, and folding design. Its rear rack can carry up to 130 pounds, making it ideal for daily errands or weekend adventures. Best of all, it starts below the $1,000 mark, making it one of the strongest budget performers available today. Number 2, Electric Expedition 2. Need serious hauling power? The Electric Expedition 2 is built to carry groceries, camping gear, work equipment, even kids, with a massive 300-pound rear rack capacity. A powerful 750-watt motor, smart pedal assist, suspension fork, and optional dual batteries make it one of the best cargo e-bikes you can buy without spending a fortune. It's practical, powerful, and built for real life. Number 1, Aventon Adventure 3. This is the bike that impressed us the most. The Aventon Adventure 3 combines a powerful 750-watt motor, fat tires, front suspension, and premium ride comfort into one complete package. What really sets it apart are its smart features, including GPS tracking, remote wheel lock, motion alerts, and customizable motor settings through its mobile app. Whether you're riding city streets or off-road trails, this bike simply does everything exceptionally well. Which e-bike would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.